Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to assemble one of our most selling castle chandelier. So this is the actual box what you have received when you place order to our website. So inside the box you will find the actual frame of the chandelier, the drop rod, canopy, and the main thing is the box of L key. The L key or Allen key is the essential components to use to assemble the chandelier. It is used to loosen the frame from here and get the chandelier into the actual shape. Chandelier arms are properly positioned, use the L key again to tighten the screw from here securely and make this. In the second box, you will find the set of 6 glass globes that are designed in such a way that fix onto the chandelier frame perfectly.